In this video, I will share with you how to cancel Agoda booking and get a refund. So friends, first step, log in your accounts and then go to my trips. When you go to my trip, go to all booking, choose your booking you want to get a cancellation. When you choose your booking from here, you will see this page. In my case, I don't have any booking. You will see your booking here. Click cancel. As you can see here, go to manage and then choose the cancel. After that, friends, you will this one click and you have two options, no refundable. So friends, make sure you have a click on cancel on this option. When you click on cancel, click cancel as I say. After that, click continue with your cancellation. So friends, this is how you can do to cancel your booking. If you want to get your refund, just follow this simple process. After click cancellation, you will get your refund and submit your reason from here, and then you will get your refund. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this